back at it again like a rerun. I have returned refund. Alright, what's up, y'all? It is me, Meme JP, and I'm here with J. Cody, another freestyle, bro. This one, hold on, I gotta let me see what you call it. This one's the Golden Goose freestyle. Yeah, okay. We gonna get to this one next, bro, because the first one that dropped, pretty good. It started off. Shit was pretty cool. And the beat, I didn't say it in the last video, but the beat, I did remember the beat. The beat did sound familiar though. I just couldn't, still couldn't get it. I still can't get it even now. But like, yeah, if this shit don't record, nigga, goddamn. Oh shit, record. There it goes. Okay. Yeah, but like I was saying, like the beat sounded familiar. I just don't know where I get it from, where I remember it from. But yeah, still, I think this is gonna be probably another similar beat. Maybe it's not. I don't know. But yeah, Golden Goose. Let's get it.
You know what?
Cold of truth, got they throw the nooses. Grip never letting up, though they hope it loosens. Nah, I'm on top, you can't knock me off my spot. Fuck yachts, I won't stop till the boat's a cruise ship. Till the whole world knows who got the go.
Okay, that was like, you know, off, you know, I was saying off the other bar from last freestyle. Okay.
Never letting up, though they hope it loosens. Nah, I'm on top, you can't knock me off my spot. Fuck yachts, I won't stop till the boat's a cruise ship. Till the whole world knows who got the gold acoustics. Only then will I split like I co-produced it. Lot of rappers make dough and be prone to lose it for crumbs. Dumb niggas so they sold illusion. Universal distribution, but I own the music. Best niggas still breathing, leaving no confusion. Hop on every nigga song, abuse it. Catch bodies for my own amusement. Niggas cheating and I won't excuse it. If I said it, then I wrote it, stupid. I'm a star like the logo on my shoes.
Wow. Did he say that before? Oh no, yeah, he said that shit on Black Friday. If I code this, no, he said something like, how that shit go? If I quoted nigga, I wrote it, nigga, something like that, yeah. But yeah.
Hop on every nigga song, abuse it. Catch bodies for my own amusement. Niggas cheating and I won't excuse it. If I said it, then I wrote it, stupid. I'm a star like the logo on my shoes, but these ain't no Converses. Nah, girl, they golden gooses. A nice.
You know, nigga, you know what I'm saying? You know, but yeah.
Fella, but the flows is ruthless. And the culprit's 2-6, where the closest you get to hope is Hope Mills Road Cola. Seen more beef than them folks at Roof Chris. Teach a man how to fish, and the lesson is this: without a pole, you're useless. Catch my drift? I'm swift on my toes, you doofus. And that's why the hoes that choose this, they like, can I kick it? Like they roll for Q-tip. Sure, but just know, baby.
Wait, hold on, did I miss something right there? Hold on.
I'm swift on my toes, you doofus. And that's why the hoes that choose this, they like, can I kick it? Like they roll for Q-tip. Sure, but just know, baby, we don't open doors for Cupid. Or leave when
Q-tip.
Sure,
never mind.
But just know, baby, we don't open doors for Cupid. Or leave windows cracked, you been known that. I'm worldwide, these niggas like a little known fact. They lack focus and they pause is putrid. From poison of all different sorts they using. If the streams say you're winning while your tours is losing. When the math ain't math, then of course you're juicing. That mean the bots is boosting. Cut the tough guy image, it is not conducive to breathing. Don't gamble with your life cause the ops is cruising. Word to Mike Vick, your dog might get shot for losing. And I don't like those eyes, so I stay in my lane. Despite every bit of dirt thrown my way, there'll never be a stain on my name. That's why I walk around dolly as if ain't nothing changed. Without a chain on my frame, niggas can never know the pain of Jermaine. But I can't name a thing that I ain't overcame. I despise my celebrity, I ain't in the fame. Don't be silly, want the chili, similar to Usher Rain when he sang in the rain. Hey, money bring respect in this game. Ain't it a shame how them things interchange?
Colomare. Oddio, pare. Okay. That one was shorter than the other one. For like what, 2 minutes? Okay. Yeah. We paused it at 5:27. Wow. But yeah, that one was way more shorter than the other one. That one was good too. I don't know if it was better than the first one, but that one was good too. He was saying more stuff here than the first one. The first one was like more just like to start it off, just to start it off, like some shit. This one he was speaking a little more on this one, but yeah, the next one we got one in store for this y'all. So that one next. But for right now, Golden Goose. Golden Goose is good. So yeah, y'all gonna see me in the next one. Yeah, okay. I'm thinking of how I'm gonna do this shit for real. But yeah, like, share, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Y'all, of course, stay blessed, stay out the way. I'll see y'all in the next one. What am I doing, bro? Next. What am I doing?